Good day to you coders, and thank you for supporting us on Project Codelaborate. In this video, we will cover the introduction to Java. So let's start with what is Java. So first of all, Java is concurrent. So that's where you can execute many statements instead of sequentially executing it. It's also a class-based and object-oriented programming language. It's also an independent programming language that follows the logic of write once, run anywhere. So this means that the compiled code can run on all platforms which support Java. Next, let's move on to the history of Java. So this starts in 1991 when James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton start the Java language project in June. The language was originally called Oak after a tree that stood outside Gosling's office and took 18 months to develop. The name would later change to Green and then to Java. In 1992, the team was able to demonstrate the new platform, including the Green OS and the Oak language. They demonstrated it with the digital assistant device named Star7, and they used a smart agent called Duke to assist the user. Duke would later become the mascot of Java. The team was tasked by Time Warner to use Java to design an interactive TV, but at that time, Java was too simple and this project too advanced for this project to be successful. In 1994, the team refocused the platform for the World Wide Web. Sun renamed the Oak language Java. The rumor goes that Gosling was holding on to a cup of coffee while brainstorming new name ideas. In 1995, Sun Microsystems released the first public implementation as Java 1.0A2 in 1995 at the Sun World Conference. It promised WORA, or Write Once, Run Anywhere, providing no-cost runtimes on popular platforms. In 1996, Sun Microsystems formed the Java Soft Group to develop the technology. On January 23rd, JDK, or the Java Development Kit 1.0, was launched. In 1998, Java was rebranded as Java 2 Standard Edition. That's J2SE. In 2002, there was the first release of the Java platform developed under the Java community process. Now, in recent years, there's more updates and launches of new additions to the Java software. Now let's move on to why is Java useful? So, well, first things first, it's free to access, and it's also platform independent. And Java just has so many real-world applications. Just to list a few, it's helpful in banking, so it deals with transaction management. In retail, you can use billing applications that are in stores and restaurants, and they're completely written in Java. Also, informational technology. Java is designed to solve implementation dependencies. Java is also used to run applications, run and write applications in the Android OS. So those are just a few, but of course, Java is used in so many more. I could just keep on going. In financial services, in the stock market, in big data, scientific, and research communities. So I hope you learned about the introduction and the history of Java. And as always, thank you for watching. If you have any question, drop by our Discord server or leave a comment down below. See you on our next video, continuing this series on the Java Introduction program.